10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, what a difference a day makes. We go from those 80s yesterday all the way down to the 50s today. It was a very cool day across the area today after that front went through, and you can see when it did. Right around 2 in the morning, we saw that big drop, and we have not rebounded. In fact, it's going to stay on the cool side through tomorrow. Rain has not been very abundant, though. We've only seen a few hundreds here and there with that pesky light rain, picking up 600s at Alice, 800s at Falfurrias, and just enough to wet the ground in Corpus Christi, 400ths of an inch of rain. But there's more coming tonight, and you're more likely to see that as we go into the morning hours. Right now, though, we've got the overcast sky, and in Beeville, it's a chilly 51 degrees with that north wind blowing and a lot of humidity in the air today as we continue with that north wind at Rockport, 54, 51 degrees at Corpus Christi. Overcast and still a little damp out there as we're still seeing some light rain with that 15-mile-an-hour wind. And in Kingsville, it's only 49. Yeah, it's just cold across the area. What a difference from yesterday's 90 in Kingsville. All right, looking at Doppler radar, we see a little bit of light rain still coming down here and there around Corpus Christi. Still some very light rain coming in, but it's going to increase as we go overnight. The cold front that we were talking about yesterday, it did go through last night, and it has become stationary as expected just to our south. Now, as a wave moves through tonight, an upper level wave, you can see it spinning out here, that's going to continue to move across the area, and as the surface boundary pushes northward, we'll see our rain chances increasing. The clouds are going to be very stubborn. We've got an overrunning situation at the surface, that cold northerly wind, but you go aloft and the winds shift to the southwest. You can see the direction of that rain pulling to the north and east. So keeping that overcast sky in place, and we're going to stay in this cool air for a little while. You can see on Future Tracker then this evening, it's pretty dry out there right now, but notice as I put this into motion, rain showers will increase as we go into late evening and overnight. Now, it's not going to be anything heavy, maybe a couple moderate showers embedded in there. I know this looks like a lot of rain, but it's very lightly coming down as we go through 10 o'clock tonight with those very cool temperatures hovering in the lower 50s toward morning. And then tomorrow morning, we'll see those showers starting to pull across the area and decrease. There could even be a rumble of thunder in there once the cool pocket aloft that upper level wave moves through. And then notice by noon or so, 11 o'clock to noon, we're already drying out, and temperatures may actually come up into the lower 60s for a brief time tomorrow, even though we're still going to have that northwesterly wind. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer in that drier air in the afternoon tomorrow, but still on the cool side. All right, as far as rainfall amounts, not a lot with this. As expected, it's going to stay pretty low with a few spots that get under some moderate showers, especially in our northwest counties. May pick up a quarter inch or so, but closer to the coast, we're talking a tenth to about a half to 1500ths. As we look ahead to the weekend, Valentine's Day is still cool. There's a second cold front dropping down, keeping us in those lower 60s, but we do start warming this weekend with an isolated shower chance both Saturday and Sunday. The humidity is going to come back at us too, but we do have sunshine in the forecast. Thursday is going to be a lot brighter and a little bit warmer, and then we're cooler on Friday for Valentine's Day. The clouds return with those shower chances for the weekend.